I have a January giveaway with Sky High. To enter, use discount code JacobVile at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video. 7600s. Whoa, 4 of them.
4 of them.
Oh man, you're doing 60s.
I'll drop the other 2 in next week.
Yep.
For the Rucker show coming up.
Yep.
Wow. And they got the C-Max. 90 amp hour C-Max in there.
Nice. How many alternators?
Just one.
Really?
1270. Yep.
Wow. Okay.
1270. It needs more.
Yeah.
I got a second one coming.
Yeah.
And cause it's on that battery hard.
Yeah.
I guess it's 7 eyes.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
He's cooling off for a minute.
Yeah.
He was just demoing hard. Wow. Woo. Nice. Yeah.
Demo, Jacob.
Appreciate it, man. Yeah,
even though I done broke the damn 45 in her, bro, I'm still gonna give you a demo.
I was walking by and she's like, come over.
I got to do it. I still got to give you a demo now.
Yes, sir. Don't want to miss it.
Listen, it is not going to sound the best because you are going to hear the rattling and the destroying of the damn box.
As long as it ain't a sub or an amp or some form of electrical mechanism, it should be okay. It'll just sound output-wise bad. Dude, that is a lot louder than last time you had the 415s, I remember.
Yes, sir.
Whoa.
Yes, sir. And you know what? and I gave shouts out. I gave shouts out to my boy down in Montgomery, which was Brandon Yates.
Yeah.
And then I want to thank you too for everything that you did for me.
Yes, sir.
Let me know if I did this and to do that.
Yep.
Do this to the bill, do that to the bill. It wouldn't be like this.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So
hey, you learn as we go. That's all we can do.
Big thanks up to you, bro.
You're welcome,
big thanks up to both of y'all,
yes,
man.
Sir. You're welcome.
All I did was put it together, but y'all gave me the y'all gave me the secret ingredient.
Yes, sir. That's right.
To this wall.
Yes,
and that's real talk, bro. I swear to God, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Right now, Appreciate it, man.
It'll
Hey,
be really nice.
thank you for the demo, dude.
I was-
Holy smokes.
I've been looking for you for the longest, man, to come over here. But y'all know, it's so much stuff going on out here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's crazy out here.
I bet you did, let me guess, when you burnt it, what'd you get? 60, 61? What'd you get out of it?
A 60.2. But that was with me just half playing with it.
Yes,
though.
sir. Yep.
I didn't even put everything into it.
Okay.
I was gonna go meet her today.
Yeah.
To see how it was doing.
Okay.
But
Yes, sir.
I know I can get 62, 60
Yeah.
out of easy.
Appreciate it, man. Nice to meet you, JD.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Yes, sir.
Privilege.
Good up, Jacob.
Thank you. You're welcome, man.
All right, Jessica, take it easy.
Yeah. Have a good day, man.
Started fucking. If you're by yourself, no worries. Just follow the lead. Telling you the truth. Started fucking. Just follow the lead.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.